Hi guys, I'm Beth. Welcome back to my channel, Bourbon Creek Crafts. And today I am sharing some projects that I made for the Bringing Back Basic Grey collaboration that I am doing with a couple friends. Sarah over at Crafting and Relaxing here on YouTube, and Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat, over on Instagram. So we all realized that we had a basic gray love and had hoarded some papers over the years, and Basic Grey no longer makes pattern papers. So we have decided that we will pull at least a sheet out or a few sheets out every month and enjoy playing with them instead of just keeping them stashed in a drawer. So because I'm doing Christmas projects as much as I can this month for the Christmas in July, I pulled out the Aspen Frost paper. That's probably not going to focus, and it has like blues and reds, and then it has kind of like had the like ornaments and tin soldiers and packages. And so I played with that, and I don't have any embellishments that are Basic Grey specific. And as we've talked about before, I know me and Sarah have talked about it, it's hard to find embellishments that match the colors or the tones or the distressedness of the Basic Grey papers. So I happened to find in my stash the white Christmas stickers from Bourbon, and these are actually from 2011, which I noticed this tin soldier paper was 2012 Basic Grey. So both of these have been around for a while. But the colors weren't exact, but they were close. Like the reds and the green, the tone of the green, and then like the kind of lighter blue, and then the cream. So I decided to make it work. So I made a few little giftable type projects this month. I have a pouch, and like last year for Christmas, we didn't have craft shows. We had one craft show that was in person, but we did still have some items at like a little handmade boutique here in town. And I had made some like themed packets. Like one was cinnamon lovers. I did like chocolate lovers. And earlier in the fall, I had done pumpkin lovers. And so it was just like cinnamon typed items, apple cider, like hot cider, cinnamon taffies, cinnamon mug cake, cinnamon sugar mug cake, things like that. So anyway, I decided to make some more of those pockets so I could do something like that again this year. So this is just an 8x8 square that I cut down and folded up to create a little pocket. And like no glue is required. If the paper is thick enough, or I guess the right consistency, you don't really need glue. Sometimes if it's thinner paper, it's not going to hold its shape as well, or if it's too thick, it just won't fold right. But this happened to be perfect. One of the first ones I've done where I didn't really need the glue to keep everything together, and especially once you kind of create the pocket like that, it helps keep all the little folds in place. Anyway, I then just kind of decorated it up with a few of the stickers. And then I decided to make a nail file holder. And unfortunately, I didn't have any of the nail files left from last year. I had used them all because these were big sellers at that little boutique around Christmas time too, like great little stocking stuffers. So I'll need to definitely reorder some more nail files. But I have a little template that I made for myself, and it's a 3.5 by 6 inch piece of cardstock that you kind of fold up. And then I glued it together, like you can pinch the bottom together to create like a closure at the bottom, and then just glue the sides together. So it's very simple. And then I realized that I had done it upside down, so like my soldier is upside down. But I just took one of the label stickers from the Bourbon sheet and then one of these just little round stickers and just added a little bit of embellishment. And then I had like a longer strip left, so I decided to create a little post-it note holder. And I didn't have any post-its that like worked really well color-wise. Like a basic yellow pad would look much better with this paper than this bright pink pad. So I haven't glued this in, but I just wanted to at least show you what it would look like. So it's one of those, it was just a long strip, and again I have a template for that. So it's a 3 1/4 by 8 inch piece, and then you score it, and then you cut like the slits here to give you the little pen holder. And I didn't have any good Christmassy pens in my stash anymore either, so I'll have to get some of those. But just wanted to show you how the pen can fit in there, and then you would open it up and you would have your place for the post-it holder or the post-it notepad. And then again, I just took some of the stickers, like there's this little swirl, and then I'm dreaming of a white Christmas sticker. And then I did have some scraps left, and I decided not to try and stash bust them with the basic gray. Like I am trying to use it, like pull it out, enjoy it, and use it, but I don't want to use it just to use it like I do maybe some of the other paper that I have in my stash. I want to like be more purposeful with it, so I'm going to hoard these scraps for a little bit longer. But at least I did enjoy this sheet of paper and made some cute Christmas projects, and hopefully it gets me closer to getting some stash built up for craft shows this fall. So anyway, that's what I have for you with my basic gray projects, and the links for Sarah and Kathy will be in the description box below, so please be sure to check out their projects as well. And I thank you guys so much for your time today. I hope you're all having a very crafty day.